Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to remove the tail light on a 2016 to current model Toyota Tacoma. This one just so happens to be a 2018. It's very simple, but what you have is you have 4 bolts along here. You're only going to use 2 of those. You're going to use this one, the second one from the top, and then the next one down. Actually, not the next one down, you're going to use the bottom one. So the bottom bolt and the second from the top. And they're 10 millimeter. And you're just going to pull those out. This is how you would go about changing the bulb or converting it to LED, or if you're installing a trailer hitch wiring harness. And the next part is the tricky part, because it'll move, but it feels like it's locked in. And that is because there are 2 clips on here. Just get the camera rotated there. You have a clip here and you have a clip here. And what you're going to do is you're going to start by pulling the tail light from the top. It'll take some force, but not a lot. I like to just make it a quick movement. So here we go. The top one came loose, and then just kind of work the bottom one out. There we go. You want to be somewhat easy. If your truck is, in a sunny environment all the time, really dry, those clips can be brittle, but they can be easily purchased and found. But most of the time they're okay. But that's how you remove a tail light from a Toyota Tacoma. So from there, I'm going to turn to this side to show you. From there, you can go about changing your bulbs, and it's done relatively simply. You just unplug the cable and the bulb twists right out. I'll put a link in the description for the proper bulbs in case some of you guys are looking, and also some LED conversion bulbs if you would like to change your bulbs out for LED. But that's how you remove a taillight in 2018 Tacoma, and that'll work for many years from 2016 and up. Hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Thanks.